Oh my goodness! Look how close it was to the 49ers!
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends. We're so excited for the Super Bowl coming up this weekend. We decided we need to predict who's going to win the Super Bowl. Who do you think is going to win, Jackson?
Red.
The 49ers or the Chiefs? They're both red. So the 49ers or the Chiefs? We think the 49ers are going to win. We're from Northern California, so we're a little bit biased. We came up on our roof here and we're going to throw some airplanes down on some signs. All right, we came up on our roof of our barn here and we're going to throw some airplanes. And if the airplane lands on the sign, the logo of the Chiefs or the 49ers, that's the team we think is going to win. We're hoping it lands on the 49ers. Here we go, friends. All right, here's the sign. Here's Jackson's airplane. And he's going to go down and throw it for us. We're going to see where it lands. Go ahead and throw it, buddy. Alright, the first one didn't land anywhere. Go get him, Pete. There goes mine. Whoa! It came right back to us. It did. Almost. It almost landed on the 49ers. We're getting close. Go. Oh, shoot. We're getting close. Oh, it hit me! It came back and hit me! What the heck? The plane turned right back around and hit me! Oh! Man, that one I thought was gonna land on the Chiefs. Oh, man. Oh, man. That one was close again. Oh man, I thought that was for sure gonna be on the Chiefs. Oh, the 49ers! It landed on the 49ers, Jackson! It landed on the 49ers! High five, buddy! High five! Who do you think's gonna win the Super Bowl? The 49ers! All right, we made our prediction. We think the 49ers are gonna win the Super Bowl. Jackson's plane landed on the 49ers. We'll have to see this weekend who wins, but we think the 49ers. All right, so the 49ers are going to win the Super Bowl this weekend. If you like this video, please make sure you check out some of our other videos and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.